Well, this is an opportunity at Travis Air Force Base for all of us, airmen, civilians, everybody on the base, to open up the base and welcome the general public and our community out onto the base and see a great show. This is our way to say thanks for supporting us and being here for us.
Today's show was a chance to appreciate the ingenuity of man in his struggle to defy gravity. 9-year-old Jason North summed it up nicely.
It really pleases me to see this kind of power and be inside of such a mighty creation.